Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But as always, before we go into the product of the week, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see all the products of the week and all our other videos coming up. So this week's product of the week are the Young's Harvest range of kits. And we've got a lager kit, a cider kit, a bitter, a stout and a Yorkshire bitter as well. 5 really easy to brew kits. You will need to add a kilo of sugar, but we always recommend adding with the beer kits a kilo of beer enhancer. When you come to do the cider, it is sugar. What are we doing with these kits this week? Well, we're giving you 10% off if you use the code POTW, somewhere around there, and put that in your basket, put them in your basket, and you'll get 10% off these kits until Sunday this week. As I said, really easy kits to brew. They've got lots and lots of flavour, especially if you use the beer enhancer with the beer kits. It will really enhance the flavour and you'll get the same sort of beer as you would expect if you're in a pub and or pool pump. So there we go. This week's product of the week. Nice and short and simple and easy. Young's Harvest kits, including the cider and the lager, the bitter, the stout and the Yorkshire bitter. So go grab them now. Cheers!